Today let's explore the Hologo app. Once we open the app, we have to go in the library section. There we have different options related to different subjects. Let's first explore Earth and space science. In that, let's see volcano. So once we click on volcano, it will give the 3D and 360-degree view of the volcano, which can be moved. Now, to explore more about it, there is an audio which explains the topic very well.
Volcanoes. Very interesting indeed. They're one of the phenomenons that can be caused by earth plate movements and tectonic activity. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which hot molten magma.
So this is how we can know more about the topic. After that, there is one option of AR on the top. Once we click on it, we can see the objects on the surface. So this is how we get the 3D and 360 degree of this volcano model on the surface. Now we can move it and we can explore it. Once we are done, we will now move to volcano cross section where we can see the different parts of the volcano. So this is how we can explore. Here there is one option of text right next to the audio sound. When we click on this, we get the labelings, we get the headings of each part of volcano. Now we are viewing it in the surface. If we want to close it, we can just click on object and the object comes on the screen. We can know the different parts. Once this is done, we have to give a test, which is just in the right section. Then when we click on the second option from the right, the option comes as match the labels. We click on it and then we get the option, different options of the labelings and the volcano. We just have to click on the dot and click on the correct answer. So for example, if I clicked on this dot and I click on crater. So because the answer was wrong, it will just show a orange line lighting on the corners. Now if I click on this option and I think the answer is magma chamber. Yes, it's right. If it's right, the heading will come right next to it and it will become green. Now let's take this one and I feel the answer is lava flow. Yes, it's right. But again, if I click on this and click on the wrong answer, again I have to give the test. So every time I answer the wrong question, I answer it wrong, I have to attempt the match the following again. So this is how a teacher can easily explore and can give these to the students to explore it and learn more in more depth.